opponent is Sondi and Vijay Nair. All four are very established players, and look at their fitness at 70 plus level. So Sondi's game is well known. And a good reply by Sony. All are excellent players. They are well known in their field. And they have every quality and everything in their game. Sony gets points when he serves more and more serve, and very good game by Satpal. But a very good reply came from there. They could not negotiate. Only for your serve, reply very good backhand. Vijay Nair has a very good backhand. Even Sandi has a very good backhand. So good defense by Sondi, and now backward toss. They look at their footwork and the court coverage in this age. Sondi must be around 72, 73, and Vijay Nair is also nearing 70. Satpal is over 70. So they are all. Satpal also goes to every tournament and always wins gold or silver on in all the tournaments, most of the tournaments. Even this age, they go to play internationally also. Mr. Sondi also goes, Mr. Satpal also goes abroad to represent the country at this age. And it is so appreciable that the fitness they have maintained at this level. If you keep playing in this age, so this adds to your health, this adds to your mental well-being. So they are inspiration for the youngsters how they should conduct themselves. Parande serves, give a flick serve, but goes in the back lines. Vijay Nair serves low backhand serve, very well returned by Parande. And Sondi also returned backward toss, and very good backhand by Parande, but just goes out. Vijay Nair to serve to Satpal. Good serve and good reply, and again a good crosscourt reply by Sondi and crosscourt by and defense by Parande, but landed in the net. Vijay Nair to serve to Parande. Good service, good reply, fast reply by Parande. Immediately fetched the point. Satpal to serve, forehand low serve, backward reply. Then Vijay Nair gives a good reply, and Prande returns. Satpal gives a cross court and a backward, very good toss replied by Nair. Very good. It was a good rally, but in favor of Satpal and Prande. Satpal serves good forehand low serve and a very good cross court net reply by Vijay Nair. Immediately gets a point. Sondi to serve to Parande. Good service, good reply, and a good toss. But Satpal just missed it. Although it was not very fast, but sometime change of pace also fetches due point. Change of shuttle. Good cross court reply by Satpal, but Parande put it into net. Sondi to serves. Sondi serves to Parande. Good service, good reply, and yes, this service return sometimes gets to immediate point. You have got to have a good service return also and good service also. Now service was put into the net. That is a costly mistake. Unforced errors should be avoided in a closely contested match. Good backhand by Sondi and very good toss by Satpal. Again a net reply by Parande and a good tap by Satpal. Net taps gets them a point. Good exchange going on. Prande gives a toss, backward toss, then a good smash, then a small tap, but landed in their own court. Vijay Nair to serve to Parande. Good backhand low serve and good net reply. And a smash tried by Satpal but put it into net. Vijay Nair to serve to Satpal. Good serve, good reply. Then again a good reply. Then this goes out. Uh, Toss by Vijay Nair goes out. Parande to serve to flick serve. Well defended by Sondi. Put it in net by Parande. Sondi to serve to Parande and a good net reply by Parande. But Sondi's replies goes out, goes long. Satpal serves, forehand serve low. It was a little loose serve, but immediately pounced upon by Vijay Nair and kills the front court. And the first game is taken by Sondi and Vijay Nair. It was a very well contested game. Next game, Vijay Nair serves to Satpal, and Sondi gives a backhand toss and backhand reply. Very good deft reply by Sondi. Net reply. Vijay Nair serves low backhand serve to Parande. Good reply by Parande and a toss by Vijay Nair and well negotiated by Satpal. Good smash, forehand smash. Satpal serves to Sondi. Sondi is a smash, then immediately pounced by Vijay Nair on a net tap and get a point. Sondi serves, good service, good reply. Nair also good reply, but Parande's mid-court push could not be negotiated by AK Sondi. Parande serves, little loose serve, but good net exchanges. Right given by the umpire. Vijay Nair serves to Parande. Good reply, good net exchanges, fast exchanges. Parande smashes and good smash by Satpal, but goes into net. How well at this stage they are playing. Look at their court coverage, footwork, agility, stamina. They are just inspiration for all of us. And the level of their game, their expertise, their quality of shots, everything is there. Service by Satpal, good reply by Vijay Nair. Vijay Nair gives a lift and then a backcourt push. Backcourt toss by Sondi goes out. Satpal serves and Vijay Nair replies. Backcourt reply which could not be negotiated by Parande. Sondi lifts and a good smash by Satpal and again a smash and a tap by Parande and a reply by Vijay Nair goes out. No, umpire says it is in point to Sondi and Nair. Parande to serve to Nair. Nair gives a backcourt reply and a smash by Satpal and a backcourt reply by, but lineman gives in, although Vijay Nair is not satisfied. Umpire calls Vijay Nair to have a chat. Vijay Nair serves. AK Sondi to serve to Parande. Back and low serve. Good service return. And immediately very good return by Vijay Nair gets them a point. Sondi to serve to Satpal. Satpal gives a good reply and a good smash and a good reply. Good defense by Sondi and given at a the wrong-footed Satpal. Sondi serves to Parande and Parande tried to give a net reply but landed in the net. Sondi serves to Satpal. Satpal gives a good reply, backward reply, and a good smash. Net kill by Parande. Parande serves to Nair. Nair gives a good reply, and then a good exchange. Sondi has such a good agility and court coverage. Parande serves to Sondi, low backhand serve, well negotiated by Sondi, but put it in the net by Satpal. Vijay Nair to serve to Satpal. Oh, wrong serve by Vijay Nair, put it in the net. Service for Satpal to serve to Nair. Good service and good tap by Vijay Nair. And a good net reply. Oh, good net reply, but goes out and Satpal and Parande get a point. Satpal serves to AK Sondi. Good reply by Sondi and good smash by Parande and equally well defended by Vijay. Sondi serves to Satpal and good reply by Satpal and very good smashes. 2-3 good smashes by Parande and Satpal. Great attacking game by them and get them a point. Vijay Nair to serve to Parande. Good reply by Parande. बिल्कुल अपना साइड लाइन की लाइन को छूती हुई रिप्लाई. Satpal serves. Sondi replies. Good replies. Good net replies and service replies by Sondi and Vijay Nair and get a point. Sondi serves and Satpal gives a good return. Vijay Nair serves. Parande. Second game won by Satpal and Parande. It's a 1-all now. came to proceed. One all. Satpal to serve to Sondi. Sondi gives a reply, smashed by Parande. Then net reply immediately pounced upon by Vijay Nair. Good agility shown at this stage. Vijay Nair serves to Parande. Good service. Not a good reply in the net by Parande. Vijay Nair serves to Satpal. Good service, good reply by Satpal, and then Parande. Good smash by Parande. Could not be negotiated by Vijay Nair. Change of shuttle demanded by Vijay Nair. Parande preparing to serve to Nair. Nair gives a backward reply. Sondi gives a reply, but Satpal smashes and gets a point. Parande serves to Sondi. Sondi gives a reply. Vijay Nair gives a backward reply, and a very good reply by Sondi, but equally well killed by Satpal. Parande serves but goes in net. Costly mistake. These unforced errors have to be curbed. Nair serves, good reply. This is a good display of service and good display of service returns. Satpal serves, return, and Parande gives back. Good shout by Satpal for out. Satpal serves. हाँ जी, क्या हाल है? बढ़िया जी, चलो ये मैच देखते हैं। Change of court at halftime at third game, final game. Satpal and Parande are ahead in the final third game. Uh, 11th. इनका नाम है HS सोहल और सुधाकर शर्मा. 12-6 in favor of Satpal Parande in final game. Parande smashes, Satpal smashes, again smash by Parande, again a smash by Satpal, very good smashes, 3-4 smashes consecutively and get a point. Great display of attacking and defense. Oh, bad miss by Vijay Nair. Satpal serves. Some 14-6. Smash, put it into net by Parande. Vijay Nair serves. Parande to face. Backhand low serve. Good reply by Parande and good backhand reply by Parande. Good show of backhand strength and power by Parande. Parande serves to Vijay Nair and good reply by Vijay Nair. And a mid-court push by Sondi gets them immediate point. You push it and then you get a reply and kill it. That is the strategy. Sondi serves and a good backward reply by Satpal. And Parande kills it by smash. Satpal to serve to Sondi, but it's a okay service missed by Sondi. Point given to Satpal and Parande. Satpal to serve to Sondi. Forehand serve, low serve, and backward reply. Backward reply. It was a mid-court, little loose reply by Vijay Nair because it had come to his on his backhand. Satpal to serve to forehand, low serve. A good net kill tap by Sondi and get a point. Nair serves. Nair serves to Satpal. Good service, good reply, and a smash by Parande, and a good net reply by Sondi. Net play, get them a point. Nair serves to Parande. Good smash by Satpal. Again a smash, but put it into net. Parande to serve to Sondi. Sondi and Nair have to do something now to fill the gap of points because they are racing ahead, Satpal and Parande. They have to do something immediate to arrest this their flow of points. Parande serves to Nair. Nair gives a good reply and a good reply by Sondi. And good contest is going on. Or ultimately, Vijay Nair puts it into net. Parande serves to Sondi. Good service, good reply. And Nair gives a toss. And then again a backward toss by Nair. And this mid-court push just went into mid-court and it was easily killed by and match won by Parande and Satpal. They are so happy and ecstatic. But it was a good game of good players, all the four good players. It went into three games. It testifies that it was a good fight. And all are quality players. And they're 70 plus age. And they are just motivational and inspirational figures. Another final is going on, very good final.